As we approach the end of 2024, a year that will undoubtedly go down in history for its revolutionary institutional changes in the crypto market, investor FOMO has only been increasing. The recent fluctuations of Bitcoin, which has seen a drastic drop from 99 to 93, are a clear example of the volatility that still characterizes this sector. Altcoins to watch for 2025. With the bull run just around the corner, it's crucial to look at the altcoins that are positioning themselves strongly for 2025. Next, we explore some projects that deserve special attention. Solana, despite its historical drop linked to the FTX collapse, has made a remarkable recovery and broke its previous high from 2021. The efforts to improve the performance of its network and the possibility of a Solana ETF are factors that could significantly boost its adoption and price in the near future. Jupiter, closely linked to Solana, benefits from a lower market capitalization and has growth potential compared to giants like Uniswap, given its utility and past performance in other market cycles. Lingo is an emerging project focused on rewards that is backed by real-world assets. With the support of major market players and broad adoption on its rewards platform, Lingo is shaping up to be a strong contender in the next cycle. Self-Crypto, despite the overall market volatility, continues to develop its project focused on simplifying the existence and experience of users in the crypto space. The adoption of its digital identity technology and integration with major wallets like Clever Wallet could be key to its future success. Avalanche, or AVAX, with its advanced technology that allows for the creation of subnets and its partnerships with renowned companies like Visa and Amazon Web Services, is positioning itself as a robust and promising ecosystem for the future. What did you think? Go to tokenlabs.network and create your own token or meme coin. Remember to follow us.